Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
Nice.
Okay, sit down, please. Who is on duty today?
Today,
I am on duty today. Yes. Okay. Who is absent?
our present.
Or present? Okay. What date is it today? Date.
Today is the 21st of January.
Okay. What day of the week?
Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. What weather like today?
Today is sunny.
Today is sunny. Okay, sit down, please. Okay. I divide you into two groups. Come here. Come here. All of you. Come here. Endi taxta açamiz, to'qqa bo'lamiz. 1, 2. Quickly, please. Okay. Let's start. First group. Bir qadam alға жылжимыз. Second group da bir qadam alға o'rnimizda qolamiz. Okay, let's start.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1,
1.
2,
Saja?
1,
1.
2.
Okay. And the first group sit here, and the second group sits here. First group, take a place. Okay. Okay. What was your home task? What was your home task? Yes? Okay. Is your homework? Bonjour. White House. What is it? White House. White House is it? Please try again. Okay. do you know about Astana? What do you know about Astana? What do you know about Astana? Astana жайында не білеміз? What are they? Бұл жерде нелер бар?
There are Hamjatlar.
Ханжақтар and
Bajak Tower.
Bajir Tower and
White House.
White House and
Zero Shaban Mosque.
Moscow, political Moscow. Okay, good. Okay. Who is the president of Kazakhstan? Who is the president? Stand up.
Hasim Jomart Tokayev.
Okay, good. And okay, look at the blackboard. Who is this? Who is this? Come here. Marina, come here. Who is this?
Nursultan Nazarbayev.
Okay, good. Sit down, please. And the bucket. Come here. What is this? What is this?
This is Vakir Tower.
Okay, stop, please. And the caramel. What is this? What is this? This is okay, it's done, please. Darina, come here. What is this?
This is
This is Hanchadar. Okay. Okay. Now. Look at the blackboard. New words. Look at the blackboard, the new words. Capital.
Capital.
Astana.
Astana.
Going to.
Going to.
Baru.
Baru.
Next month.
Next month.
Kilisai.
Kilisai.
Show.
Show.
Place.
Place.
Jezgorod.
Zero.
Shopping.
Shopping.
Dukinaro.
Dukinaro.
Stay.
Stay.
How long?
How long?
Very long.
Very long.
Uzak. Great time.
Great time. Tamasha vakti.
Tamasha vakti. Sighting.
Sighting.
Culture.
Culture.
Magazine. Okay. Open your books page. Open your books page. 98. And look at it. Messages about Samad and Sarah, yes? Okay. Read the text, please.
Hi, David and Sam. I'm going to take you sighting when you come to Astana. What do you like doing? How long are you going to stay? See you sometime.
Okay. And Gutierrez.
Hi, Samad. Thank you for asking what we like doing. We love hit plaques and big weeks. We are also interested in Kazakh culture, films, books, and the place. And we are going to do a project about religion at school. We are not going to stay long, just today, David and Sarah.
Okay. And look at the rules. Affirmative, negative. Look at the whiteboard. Affirmative and the negative, the rules, yes? Negative sentence we put not before, after going to. Find me following in the messages on the text. Affirmative. Мына жерде не болады? Мысалы, болымды, affirmative. What is it affirmative? Қандай сөйлем? Affirmative болымды, негатив болымсыз. Енді болымсызда қалай болады? Мысалы, негативінде I I'm not going to деп тұр. Енді болмыда қалай болады? I'm енді I'm going to, yes? I'm going to, affirmative. Affirmative, I'm going to. And the negative, I'm not going to, yes? And the you are going to, affirmative. Negative, you are not going to. Affirmative, he is going to. And the negative, he is going not to. He is not going to. And then she is going to, affirmative. And the negative, she is not going to. Okay. We are going to, affirmative. And the negative, we are not going to. Yes, very good. And then you are going to, affirmative. And the negative, you are not going to. They are going to. And they are not going to. Do you understand me? Affirmative and negative. Yes, yes. And okay. Look at the exercise 3. True or false about Samad and Sarah. True or false? About look at the blackboard. David and Sarah, read the text again and write true or false. David and Sarah are going to visit Astana. Is it true or false?
True.
True, okay. They are going to stay for a week. Is it true or false?
False.
False, okay. Samad's not going to take them sightseeing. Is it Samad's not going to take them sightseeing. False or true?
False.
No. True. True. Okay. And come here. Next task. Our шатасқан әріптер, яғни орнымызға намагнит арқылы дұрыс әріптерді жазып шығамыз, дұрыс сөзді жазып шығамыз.
Nine.
Okay. Okay, Astana. What is it? Astana. Okay. Is it right?
Yeah.
Is it right? The spot?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Who else? Come here. Next word, our. Come here. Come here. Next word. What is it? Handchapper. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Who else? Come here, Kevin. Very good. What is it?
Saltanat sarayı.
Saltanat necədir? E çarpımıydı. En harfı Okay, down there. Come here. Come here, Madina. What is it?
Capital
Capital Astana. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, come please. Good. Who else? Come here. Place. Place деген қандай ақшасы? Just state қой. Place. Жер, орын, иә? Жер, орын кезі да. Who else? Бақыт, come here. Wait.
Hi, 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 hello, how are you? I turn, I
I'm tired.
I turn, I
Finish.
finish my
Bye.
piano
Piano
lessons.
lessons.
I am how I was.
And now I go.
What I was.
What about you? Okay. Very good. Kelime. Come here. Continue. How about that? I'm Excel. I'm excited.
I got to get
Tickets.
tickets to the cinema.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. I
I guess.
was it's a committee
Why? Why?
Why?
And 한대 소리 맞아?
don't we go the
Okay, right. Yeah, okay. Who else? Next. Who else? This is here. Oh. James. Oh.
oh that's a good idea. Idea.
Let's do another shaker.
Take we go going to the restaurant after the yeah maybe we could go to the restaurant after the film.
Okay. And who else? Daniela. Okay. Four. I honestly.
Honestly, thanks. That's
I suppose.
don't we go
Joe.
don't put as the moment and up late and I had to get up early the next morning.
Next morning. Okay. And who else? Ayo. Come here. This was nice.
How about
How about? Alright,
cat eat
something.
something before entering the cinema.
Cinema. Who else? Aja, come here. I just want to agree. Yeah, first. I agree. And the job.
And
That's it.
that's a
Better
better
idea.
idea.
Where?
See you
Tomorrow. Okay, stop please. Okay. And next task our яғни келеміз шықпаған әріптерді табуымыз керек, иә? Әріптерді табуымыз керек. Мадина, come here.
Shoes.
Oyster. Okay. Good. Good job. Who else? And then who else? Nurasul. Come here. Come here. Come here. Nurasul. Come there. Do you know? Yes, but. Okay. Sit down, please. Who else? Who else? Back up, come here.
Place window.
Place going down. Okay, very good. Who else? Come here.
Books. Tap.
Books. Tata. Okay. Good job. Who else? Next. Mia. Come here. Next, Ayon, come here.
Exhibits. Combijativleri.
Yes, good job. Marker alacağız, marker. Marker alacağız. Who else? Our sense word. Next, our sense word. Who else? Who else? Yes. Oh, very good. What is it? What is it? What's the word?
Cinema.
Cinema? Theater. Okay, sit down, please.
May I?
Come here. Back up.
I think the slitter will.
Paintings. Okay, very good. Who else? Next, nice word. Who else? Sarita? Okay, come here. Museum Marathi. Okay, very good.
May I?
Come here. Come. Place here. Okay. Good job. Next. Who else? Who else? Next. Back up. Come here. Next. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, quick. What is it? Shops deganimiz ne?
Satın alıp.
Dükan aralab. Dükan ya. Shopping bo'lsa dükan aralab, shop bo'lsa, ya'ni dükan yer. Okay, sit down please. Who else? Come here.
Beautiful.
I'll show you. Is it right? Bushba?
Yes.
Bushba, yes. Okay. There. I have one there. Who else? Who else? Ayom, come here. Okay, strong, please. Yes? No, okay. Next. Who else? Kerem. Келесіне дайындалып отырамыз.
Байтерек.
Бәйтерек, окей. Very good. Who else? Кел, Абжан.
Концерттің қызы.
Концерт, сал, концерт бол. Okay. Who else? Come here. Okay. What is it?
Қаншатыр.
Okay, sit down, please. Okay. Сабағымыз қалай болды? Қызды болды ма?
Yes.
Okay. And I give you homework. Our homework, make a dialogue about making plans. Do you understand me? яғни үй жұмысына making plans, диалог құрап келеміз, жоспар құрап келеміз. Мысалы, кім қайда барғысы келеді, қай жерді көргісі келеді туралы, иә? Сонда диалог құрап келеміз үй жұмысына. Making plans. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Бүгінгі сабағымызда бақыт, өте жақсы жұмыс жасады, very good. Енді Дариға very good, енді Гүлсезім, енді керемет. Енді Аружан, Аяулым, учет, енді Ажар учет, Бағым учет. Енді Санжар, енді Нұрасыл, Ержігіт. You are try again, please. You understand me? Okay. Okay, our task is over. Goodbye. Salam saya. Okay. Goodbye.